Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.4.0 on Fedora Linux 42. But the process is same on Fedora version. Okay, first open any web browser. Now go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the versions 9.4.0. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Okay. Then select the operating system Fedora Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have Fedora 42 and 41. Okay. Select the version. I am on Fedora 42. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to download and install. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM only. Click on this download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 870 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this tar file. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 9.4.0. It is tar file. We have to untar it. tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. See, extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Control A. Now install them. Sudo rpm-ivh nodeps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, you have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. If you give MySQL, it won't work. See, okay, we have to give MySQL D. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Q to quit. Control A. Now we have to connect to MySQL server. But we don't have the password of the any MySQL user account. But we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to more/var log mysqld.log. Sorry. We have to run this with grep password. But at start we have to give sudo. See, this is the temporary password for root account. Okay. Now we will set the permanent password for root account. Sudo mysql_secure_installation. Now copy this temporary password. This is not same for you. Copy and paste it. Now we have to set the password for the root account. This is the permanent. Remember this password. Later we need this password. See, you have successfully set the password for root account. Control it. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u, username is root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. We have successfully connected to MySQL server version 9.4.0. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Control L to clear screen. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database by using use and then provide the name of the database. Now create table. Create table. We have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. Select star from customer. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. Username is David-p. Then provide the password. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the new user. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server the user David. Okay, now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. So we have to grant the privileges to access this database. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 9.4.0 on Fedora Linux 42. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-root-p. Then provide the password of root account. Hit enter. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, MySQL server is restarted. Ctrl+A. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Fedora Linux operating systems. Okay, ls. These files are not recorded anymore, so remove them. rm start.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls. See here we have one file, remove it also to clear the space. rm MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install MySQL Server 9.4.0 on Fedora Linux 42. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.